In primetime news this evening, help for struggling farmers. Not getting it. Jamaicans continue to disregard social distancing rules while the Ministry of Health is concerned. And the government ramps up COVID-19 testing, mobile unit to be used to collect samples.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, country records 2 new COVID-19 cases.
And I'm Janella Precious. Flo blames vandals for disruption in service. Andrea Chisholm will have this and more in the business day.
And later in Primetime Sports, local experts foresee no problem for Jamaican student athletes in getting overseas scholarships. Spencer Darlington will have all the details.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you think the curfew measure announced yesterday by the government goes far enough?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.